Hello, my name is Cecilia Shai. I live in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Originally, I am from Somalia, a country in East Africa. After the Somali Civil War, America housed me, nurtured me, and motivated me to make a better choice for my life and for my family. My mother raised me alone in this country, a country where she had no one, knew no one, and had no other family support. My mother taught me that in order for me to be successful, I have to work hard and even harder than my other peers, because in her world, failure was not an option. Now I'm educated, I'm empowered and motivated to raise my own children in a country, the same country where my mother raised me. In order for me to raise my kids better than me, better in a better world, and make my kids successful, I have to get involved. That's why I am joining this platform, because in this platform I can work hard. I can meet other great women who are doing same or even more better work than I do. This platform is a place where I can voice my issue, and I can work alongside with other minority and other cultures to better our society and our neighborhoods, to pave the way for my kids, and to create that beautiful dreamland for them to be successful. I have to advocate for my other women, and immigrant women, Muslim women, because in my world, Muslim women don't have a voice, and I need to create that voice for them.